Hello everyone, welcome to Numbers and Colors. Today we are going to write the letter M or P to begin the word. Then we will write the word on the line. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Do you know the name of this picture? This is a moon. Can you say the word moon? Good. Now, what beginning sound do you hear in the word moon? What letter makes the sound? The letter M or P? M. Can you say this word again? Moon. Now we're going to write the word moon. M-O-O-N. Can you say this word again? Moon. Now this picture. What's the name of this animal? Good. It's a pig. What beginning sound do you hear in the word pig? Do you hear M, or P? P. Can you say this word with me? Pig. Now we're going to write the word pig. P-I-G. Can you say this word one more time? Pig. Now this picture. This is a picture of, of a man. What beginning sound do you hear in the word man? Can you say that beginning sound with me? What letter makes the sound? Nicely done. M. Can you say this word with me again? Man. Good. Now we're going to write the word man. M-A-N. Now let's say this word one more time. Man. Now this picture. What is this? Can you whisper it? This is a pan. Good. This is a pan. What beginning sound do you hear in the word pan? Do you hear or do you hear p? We hear p, p, pan. Can you say this word with me again? Pan. Now we're going to write the word pan. P-A-N. Pan. Now let's go ahead and say all of these words again. Moon, pig, man, pan. What sound does the M make? What sound does P make? P. Nicely done. Thank you for helping me with completing the words today and also for writing them out today. Please make sure to like